If there is one post that I've been excited about and have been preparing for this year, it is today's post. This is Louie and welcome back to Acorn Hill. Today I'm excited to share what we consider the Philippines' national treasure when it comes to the global yuletide table. I am excited to share with you guys today how I make our homemade Puto Bungbong. Puto Bungbong is rice cake and it's unique in that the cooking vessel is different than any conventional cooking vessel for puto or for rice cakes. Now, for all of us to understand what Puto Bungbong is, there's several elements and several implements that I wanted to introduce to you guys. But first, traditionally, these rice cakes are served, bought, and eaten after a morning mass, the traditional Christmas morning mass in the Philippines. They're sold by street vendors along the side of the town hall, of the town square, where churches are usually located. People would buy them in batches and they would eat them along with hot tea after a good mass in the morning. They're traditionally cooked in cooking vessels known as bamboo tubes. I got these bamboo tubes back in the Philippines when I used to visit about 10 years ago, and I haven't really used them properly until now. So I'm excited to share with you how these are used to make rice cakes that are cooked inside the tubes themselves. Now, the tubes, they did not come with this cloth that I wrapped it with, and you have to wrap it because you have to insert it into a cooking vessel, which I also got from the Philippines. It's a closed vessel with 3 holes. Some of them come with 4 or 5 or 6 holes even. But for a small household like we have, this is enough. It's a closed vessel made of stainless steel. You fill it up with water. These little tubes, bamboo tubes, they go in right on top and into those holes. Now, as boiling water starts to rage inside the vessel, steam will come up. The steam will go through these bottom holes. There we go. Those bottom holes of the cooking vessel, the bungbong, and that's what cooks what we will be making, which is called galapong or Filipino masa. Masa that is made of rice of different kinds and different consistencies and textures and even color. To give the Puto Bungbong its unique, chewy, dense, cakey, but at the same time a sweet treat. I'm excited to share how this goes and how this is done and how we make Puto Bungbong for everyone. It is a beloved Filipino dessert, Filipino treat. I would even dare that it is one of our unique contributions to the street food world and the Yuletide global table. It conjures up many memories for many people when they hear of Puto Bungbong, see Puto Bungbong, and even taste and partake of Puto Bungbong. So today, apart from these unique implements, I also will be showing you how to make from scratch the masa or the galapong, so we could stick that all inside these tubes. Now, quickly on the bamboo tubes itself, again, what a unique contribution to how a traditional food is made, because who would have thought that things could be cooked inside a bamboo tube, right? This is about 8 inches long. I had to put, traditionally there is a swaddling of cloth that is wrapped around the bottom part of the bungbong so that when you stick it into the cooking vessel, no steam will escape. And also it's for protective reasons, because this gets really hot once you get the steam come up the tubes very well. So a good Puto Bungbong requires good steam, right tool for the right job. I've waited months for this post and this vlog to be posted on the channel, and I hope you guys get that festivity and the sense of Christmas through this treat and through this food that I will be making. For those of you who have subscribed, we really appreciate your presence. The channel wouldn't be the same without you. Every single one is a valued subscriber and a friend, and we welcome you into our home. Christmas has arrived in Acorn Hill, and as you can see, we now have our Christmas decorations. Welcome to our home, welcome to our living room, and I will take you to the kitchen as we make and prepare the traditional Puto Bungbong for Christmas.